again, you're not seeing the 2 network because we're matching the 130.02 network with any mask that's greater than or equal to a /29, which a /28 is less than or equal to, is less than or equal to a 29. So what we can do is we can go in to the ISP router here, go back into that prefix list, do a no for sequence 20 on the prefix list to customer 2, and then go back. Now if we were to change this to less than or equal to 29, do you think that's going to match? That should match, because what that's saying is any routes that I'm receiving from the customer 2 router that match 130.02 with a mask that is less than or equal to a /29, it's going to permit. So that equals that, we're advertising a /28 from customer 2 into BGP, so they should see this as a match if I do a less than or equal to 29, because that's a /28. So anything smaller, 28, less than or equal to 29, so it's going to be a 29, 28, 27, 26, 25. Alright, so once I permit that, I'm going to go here and do a clear on my BGP neighbor, and then look at the BGP table, and now you can see the /28 being advertised. So that's the power of prefix lists, unlike access lists where you can only, do, one access list statement. You can only match, one, subnet at a time, per se. In prefix lists, we can match multiple lengths of, subnets in one statement, So what we also want to do here is, I just wanted to show you, well, I guess we've already covered it, but anyway, under customer 2, if we go in and we go into router BGP 200, and if we put in to loopback 10, 130.0.10.0, okay, and do a mask of 255.255.255.0. Now if I also go into customer 1 and do the same, all I want to do here is show you the power, of prefix lists. Under BGP here, I'm going to also advertise network 130.0.10.0, the mask 255.255.250. So what you're seeing here is customer 1 and customer 2, they both have, this same network that they're trying to advertise, into BGP to, the ISP. So what this could do is this could be devastating really to the ISP network, because it's seeing 2 different autonomous systems advertising the same network, and that should never happen. And that's one of the things with prefix lists what we can do is filter out these unwanted advertisements from our customers. So I go ahead and hit enter on both sides, on customer 2 and customer 1. Now they are sending me oops. What I did here, I put in the wrong, I put in network 10, or 1 instead of 10. So under customer 1, go back on the router BGP 100 and do a no network 1. That would be devastating too, since customer 2 is advertising that. Do a network 10. And then do a show IP BGP. Now you can see that I'm advertising in the BGP, the 10 network on both customer 1 and customer 2. So if we go into ISP1, the ISP router, and do a show IP BGP, you can see that we're not seeing that network because our prefix lists have the implicit deny statement, deny all at the end. So anything else that we're receiving from these customers, we